This is a part 2 or 2.5 update on this Mercury that I picked up for dirt cheap. I've been, got a tiller handle installed on here. That is a big tiller from a Honda. This is the tiller handle you get from a B25 all the way up to B75. And I got the two to talk and work. Mercury shift controls bolted right in, so one is a little bit long. It's looped in. I spliced the Honda and the Mercury remote in. I did have to make an little adapter plate. As you can see down there, because the Honda's a little bit narrower than the tohatsu. Ignition switch, everything works. I will purchase a tilt and install the tilt. That's pretty easy. As you can see, ignition, stop. If we turn the key on, light comes on. Crank it up. I do have to install a buzzer in here because I need that. I did not want to cut up or modify my mid tiller from the 40. This tiller was $120 on eBay. The elbow piece was $150 from boats.net, and the cables are off eBay again. I'll list the part numbers. As you can see, she runs. This is after the repair. And so I put it in gear, forward, reverse, and stop switch. I will, if you're interested, I will post the wiring diagram from what I did from the Honda to the Tohatsu Mercury. Questions, comments, let me know.